guys, so last part of our matter review we'll be talking about specifically mixtures. So we said that all matter can be classified into two groups. We already learned about group one, which are our pure substances, and within pure substances we can break them down into either elements or molecules. And remember, there's also two types of molecules. So if I have two of the same atom bonded together, so two oxygen atoms bonded, that's considered a molecule. But if I have two different atoms bonded together or more, so two H's and an O to make water, so two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen, that's called a compound. Okay, this video specifically is going to be about mixtures. You guys have seen mixtures. You see them all the time, okay? A mixture is blending two or more pure substances together. So whatever you're putting in your mixture has to be either a bunch of elements, a bunch of molecules, a bunch of compounds, or a bunch of all of that together. Okay, they are not chemically combined. So molecules and compounds are chemically bonded together. No matter how hard I try, I could not grab two atoms with my hands and break them apart. Okay, but mixtures I can separate because they are not chemically combined. Okay, two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. Let's talk about that prefix homo, okay? I always use a term that you guys know really well. The term is homosexual, okay? So if you are homosexual, you like the same gender, okay? If you are a homogeneous mixture, the whole mixture looks the same, meaning I cannot see the individual things that make it up. So for example, a homogeneous mixture is the air in your room, the room that you're sitting in right now. It's made of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, helium, all floating around. But I can't look and say, oh, there's an oxygen atom by my left eye, okay? I can't see it. Tap water. So water from your sink or your faucet is another type of homogeneous mixture. It's water, which is a compound, mixed with fluorine, which is an element, mixed with a little bit of chlorine, which is another element to keep bacteria out, and the fluorine helps your teeth. And if you have well water, sometimes you have minerals. Those are compounds that are dissolved in there, but you don't see it. All you see is just a glass of water that looks the same. Kool-Aid is mixed with water, but when you look at Kool-Aid, once it's all made, you can't see the mix from the water. It all looks like one thing. And then two types of metals that you're probably really familiar with are brass and stainless steel. Those are mixtures of a bunch of different metals, all melted down, stirred in a pot, and then let to cool to get brass or stainless steel. Okay? The second type of mixtures are heterogeneous mixtures, okay? So again, going back and looking at our prefix hetero, we know that if you are heterosexual, you like people that are of the different sex. So hetero means different, which means when I look at a heterogeneous mixture, I could see the different parts. So when I look at Lucky Charms, it's a heterogeneous mixture. I can see the marshmallows, I can see the cereal pieces. When I look at trail mix, it's a heterogeneous mixture. I can pick out the M&Ms versus the pretzel pieces versus the peanuts. And Italian salad dressings the same way. So whenever we're talking about mixtures, we're talking about one of two types. Either a homogeneous mixture where I can't see the difference, everything when I look at it looks the same, or heterogeneous, I can see the different parts.